Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Sparrow Wallet on PC. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful desktop-based Bitcoin wallet designer for the users who want full control over their transaction and privacy. It supports advanced features like hardware wallet integration, custom transaction fees, and detailed coin control. Sparrow Wallet is especially popular among the Bitcoin users who value security and transparency, and it is available for the Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And in the guide, I'll show you how to download it safely on your PC. First, open any of the web browser like Chrome or Edge and go to the official website in the address bar, type down sparrow.com, sparrowwallet.com, and enter it. Over here, once you reach into this intersection of the Sparrow Bitcoin wallet, we can find this download over here. Select to this download. Over here, you can download for the Apple, Intel, Windows, as well as I'm going to select for the Windows here. The file will begin downloading and will usually be saved on your download folder. And wait for the download to complete before proceeding. And this is it. This is how you can download the Sparrow wallet on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.